Hello, students of Standard 10. Once again, welcome to this YouTube channel of Monbisha. We were going through in history, chapter 3, Nationalism in India. We have studied about non cooperation movement started by Mahatma Gandhi. How it started? It was started by supporting or helping Khilafat movement, and with this non cooperation movement was started al- along with the Khilafat movement. Gandhiji wanted to unite the Hindus and Muslims together for a widespread movement in our country. But this non-cooperation movement have different impact on different places, in cities, in towns, and in all other places. It has different effects, and it has different impacts. It has different impacts in different places. How it has started, what are the several changes which took place during this movement in different places, and what was its effect. So we will go through this one by one. Today we will go through how non-cooperation movement started in towns and cities, and how it has been gradually withdrawn. People have withdrawn themselves from this, or Gandhiji has stopped this in non-cooperation movement, or what was the negative impact of it. We will go through this in cities and towns. Now you see, the non-cooperation movement, it has dramatically affected the economy of the British. Non-cooperation means, I have told you, asahayog andolan. So people started ignoring different things of the Britishers. They started boycotting everything. Like thousands of students left government schools, professors, headmasters, they stopped going to schools and colleges. The lawyers stopped going to courts. So there are many like this type of things. Means everybody started ignoring the work of the Britishers in doing their activities. So the impact of foreign clothes, sorry, not impact, the import of foreign clothes also have been dramatically halved. Halved means half, it became half. From 1921 to 1922, in 1 year it became half, which has dropped from 102 crore to only 57 crore. Previously it was 102 crores of foreign clothes were being imported from outside in our country. But it has, when people started boycotting foreign clothes in non-cooperation movement, their value dropped to 52 crore only. So economic system of Britishers has reduced. In many places, merchants, then traders refused to trade with the goods and or finance foreign trade. They stopped doing any activity regarding foreign trade. People began discarding imported clothes and started wearing only Indian clothes like khadi. So khadi cloth they started wearing, people of India, homemade. Students stopped going to school and colleges made by British government. The lawyers stopped going to court for practicing. So these are the ways by which the people of towns and cities try to boycott foreign things. Production of Indian textile mills have increased. This was a positive effect. But this movement gradually slowed down. Its impact on the people started gradually slowed down for several reasons, which are as follows. See, I am telling you. You have seen that during this corona disease, we are now compelled to sit inside our house. First week, second week, third week, first lockdown, second lockdown, it is the third phase lockdown. Previously, we were feeling very happy sitting at home, eating different foods, enjoying with our family members. Now, gradually, we are getting bored. How we will work, when we will go to work, how we will earn the money. So, in the same way, khadi cloth was more expensive than mass production industrialized good, yeah, mill cloth. It was not realistic for the poor Indians to afford it. Poor Indians cannot afford to buy khadi clothes. It is very easier for them to purchase mill clothes which is coming in bulk and giving in low prices. Many people had left their jobs to support the non-cooperation movement, but soon the problem of unemployment arises. If they will not go to the British for work, where they will go? There are no other employment. Subsidiary employment is not there. So students, teachers began turning back to their own colleges, schools, because they cannot stop their education. People cannot stop their doing work. How they will run their family? Workers, industrialists, peasants, traders had inferred Gandhiji's notion of Swaraj, started violating his call for Swaraj. They started using violence, means when the situation became totally opposite. In the beginning, it was okay, but after that, when they needed money, when they needed clothes, when they needed education, they do not have any substitutes for it, for British things and British institutions. So, when people were compelled to do, don't go, Gandhiji told this, that, they started repelling it. They became more violent. They started using violence to get their demands fulfilled. Gandhiji never approved violent means of achieve goal. Hence, he got disheartened. Gandhiji has never told to be to use non-violence. He said Gandhiji is always for non-violence, not violence. But when people do not get their food, they do not get their clothes, they do not get their education, employment, they started the path of violence. They started going in the path of violence. They are forcing the Britishers to give them the food, give them this and that, demanded. Previously, it was given petition, applications. Now they are forcing them. Instead of non-violence, they started violence. And Gandhiji has become disheartened. He did not wanted this type of non-violence. So he has to call off this non-cooperation movement. So in the same way, where are the other places where this non-cooperation movement started and why that has been stopped in those places? We will see rebellion in the countryside. Countryside means in the village sides, rural areas. How it has been started, why it has been started, and how it has been stopped. So we'll see in the next video. Thank you.